Me oi!
What time is it?
It's Kohole Time!
That's right, brother. Go check it out and tell all your friends.
Yay!
Aloha, no. Welcome to our show. Won't you come on down?
Come on down!
To Kolohe Time.
Yay!
So come and see.
What time is it?
It's Kohole Time!
Hey, what else you got on the show? Bro, check this out.
Kolohe Time. A little rascal state of mind in the things you do. Are you Kolohe too?
Yay!
So come and see.
What time is it?
It's Kohole
That's
Time!
right, brother. Go check it out and tell all your friends.
So come and see.
What time is it?
It's Kohole Time! Yay!
Aloha, kids! Hi, I'm Aaron.
I'm Bruce.
I'm Pico,
And he's Sam.
and welcome to our show. We have so much to share,
Yup, and so much to see.
hear, and most importantly, learn. Learning is fun, right, Aaron?
That's right, Sam. And today, we'll be learning about Laulima.
Laulima, 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 Laulima.
Do you know what Laulima means?
Work together! Laulima!
Here's the Laulima song.
And what the word means.
The word Laulima, Laulima. It's called Laulima. It means to cooperate. I said Laulima, helping others every day. Working together is what Laulima means to me.
Cooperate!
Laulima. Laulima.
Laulima! Work together! Recycle! Pepper! Plastic! Cans!
Glass 2.
Recycle! Plant food! Cooperate! Work together! Laulima! Work together! Cooperate!
The vacuum will pick those up.
Work together!
Every single day of this practice.
Laulima!
I was dragging at the same time? Yeah.
Clean up!
Bruce! We all need to cooperate and do our part to keep where we live nice and clean. And here in Hawaii, it means both the land and the sea. Whether it's our parks or school campuses, we all have to
Work together!
and keep it clean.
Mark your line! Don't let her! Mark your line! Don't let her!
That was a quick look at the word Laulima.
It is a very important value to live by.
Next time, we'll learn the story of the word Laulima.
So until then,
Aloha!
What time is it?
It's Kolohe Time.
me on.